Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today we are going to learn about how to do conditions in Python. So there are multiple ways to write conditions or switches in Python program. So we have if, or we can write if else if we have two conditions, or we can also write if elif and else if we write to if we want to write kind of multiple conditions, and also we can write nested if statements inside a main if conditions. So let's see different ways. So I have already written a program conditions.py. So what is the way to write conditions we will see now. So in our first block we have defined a grade variable to which we have assigned a value, numeric value 70, and we just want to check if a grade is higher than some numerical value or not. So we are checking if grade is greater than equal to 65, and we are printing passing grade. So this is the usage of only if statement. So when you are using conditions, we have keywords like if, else, elif, and with each keyword you need to provide colon. And after that, indentation is for the interpreter that it can recognize that it is a block under if or else if statement. The next block is we are using if and else both. So if the grade is higher than 65, we are printing passing grade, and if the condition is not met, and we are going to else block, and we are printing failing grade. So as grade is 60, which is less than 65, this execution of this code will go into else block. Then if we have multiple conditions and we want something more than if and else, so we can write elif. So here you can see we are first checking if balance is less than 0, if balance equal to 0, and else. So here we are using elif keyword. So this is another way to write uh, conditions. And sometimes you need your business logic requires nested if statements. So here see how to write. You can write nested statements. So I'm checking if statement 1, print 2 if nested statement. So whenever you assign a variable some value, it is automatically true. So it will go to true, and then it will print yes. So if statement, I'm not checking any condition, so it will just check if that variable has some value, and it will if it has some value, it will go into that block. So mm, so we don't have switch case statements in Python, because the same can be done using if, elif, else conditions. So now let's try to run this. So I will open my terminal in my editor. So first, I will go to the folder where I have this code. Inside that folder, I will run. I will type Python and my source file name conditions.py. So you can check. Let's now verify whether our code is working uh, as per we want. So first, if grade is greater than 65, grade is so grade is 70, and 70 is obviously greater than 65. So it prints passing grade. In the second statement, it prints failing grade, and in the third block, balance is 500, which doesn't go into if or elif block, and it goes into else block, and we are saying your balance is 0 or above. And same with the fourth block. So here you can see that it is because these variables have some value, and we are just directly checking on this variable, so it is printing true and yes. So this is the basic functionalities for conditions, how you can write conditions in your Python code. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please provide your comments or any suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.